old Norwegian saying that those who can do, those who can't do teach, and those who can't teach, teach PE. I'm your PE teacher. My name's Mr. Brittenham. You can call me Mr. Brittenham. You can call me Mr. Britt. You can call me Coach Brittenham, Coach Britt. You can say, hey you. I'll answer to anything. Physical education is exactly what the title says. It's physical. All you have to do is come in and try. I'm never going to grade you on the number of layups you make, the number of free throws you make, whether or not you can throw a football through a tire. I'm not going to grade you on that. I will give you a great grade if you come in, dress down, and try every single day. That's all I'm asking. Hey, and another thing, for crying out loud, take your clothes home and wash them once in a while. Take a shower once in a while. Be considerate of the kid that has to sit next to you in the classroom. They don't want to smell that. Don't be the court jester of Louis XV. All right? And by the way, we are going to be playing some dodgeball. So in conclusion, I'm looking forward to a great year of physical education, and I hope you are too.